So guys, welcome to the lecture 9 part 1 and topic is a queue. So first we check what is a queue. So queue is a basically linear data structure that follow FIFO. FIFO means first in first out. The means the element insert first will be removed first. It works like a real life queue. Example, people standing in line. So we have two operations in queue. First is the insertion basically in queue means happen at the rear or back end, and deletion DQ happen at the front. You can see here basic operation on the queue. So first is the NQ. NQ means add an element at the rear of the queue, and DQ remove an element from the front. And what is a peak and front? Get the front element without removing it. Is empty, check if the queue is empty, and is full function, check if the queue is a fixed. Check if the queue is a full for the fixed size. So now you can see the properties of the queue. So first is a follow FIFO, first in first out. Supports sequential access, no random access like array or vector. Can be implemented using array or linked list and the two stack. Now you can see the so now we will discuss types of queue. So first is a simple queue, or you can say linear queue. So it means elements are inserted from the rear and deleted from the front. When the queue is full, even after some elements are removed, we cannot reuse the free space. Implementing using array or linked list. So now come to the second types of queue. So this is a circular queue. So in a circular queue, the last position is connected to the first position, forming a cycle similar to the circular stack. This allows reuse of free space and prevent the problem of unused space in the simple queue or linear queue. Now come to the third types of queue. So third one is a doubly ended queue, or you can say DQ. Element can be inserted or deleted from the both end, front and rear. So types, here you can see input restricted queue. So here you can see input restricted DQ, and second is the output restricted DQ. So come to the next one, priority queue. So priority queue, each element has a priority. Element with the highest priority is depend first. Element with the highest priority is a DQ first, not based on the FIFO here. If two elements have the same priority, then FIFO order apply. Now come to the next type, circular DQ. Combination of DQ and the circular queue. Insertion and deletion can happen from the both end, and it works as a circular fashion. So now we will discuss implementation of the queue. So we can implement queue by using array, linked list, stack, or STL standard template library in C++. So now we just check. So now we discuss time complexity of the queue. So in queue, take big of 1, and for the DQ means deletion, take big of 1, and for the peak element finding, take big of 1. And now come to the discuss. And now we will talk about application of queue. So for the CPU scheduling, round robin algorithm and disk algorithm, print spooling, order process systems, BFS in the graphs, handling request in the web server. So this is the application of the queue. I think, is it clear to everyone? Thank you.